workshop today, not in the outdoors. I'm going to attempt repairing and refinishing the bottom of my backcountry skis. If it's at all possible, maybe we'll go out and have a backcountry ski before work. I start work at 5, it's 20 to 12, so who knows, it could happen. The good folks at Algoma Bicycle were kind enough to give me a couple of these little sticks of rubber plastic, the same stuff that the bottom of the ski is made out of, and I am going to now go check out a YouTube video on how to apply this and make it work, and we'll report back then. Alright, so according to the video I just watched, this is a P-Tex candle. I'm not sure if P-Tex is a brand name or not, but you light this thing on fire and you drip it right into the groove for the crack, and then just scrape off the excess, re-wax, and you're good to go. Of course, clean all the wax off the finish first. Of course, clean all the wax off the base. Remove all the wax and anything else, debris, from the base of the ski beforehand, because this apparently sticks better to a clean surface than anything else. So I got my trusty scraper, kitchen tool, but hey, I'm a kitchen guy, so whatever works. And I got my brush. I think I need a tripod. Tripod. Everything looks nice and firmly set up. It's all room temperature. So we are now going to this camera up here again and scrape that off, re-wax it, and go for a ski. Okay. That is all the wax taken off, all the excess this stuff. All the excess is taken off. Now, -2 to -20. I've got this in a slightly warmer temperature, which I think is going to be called for today. Could be in the car. I'm going to go check the car. There we go. This is +1 to -8, which is kind of perfect for what we're looking at right now. -2, -3 probably up at the Hiawatha Highlands. Red pine system it is. I think I'm going to call it a success as far as the skis go. We've got awesome glide. Definitely better than last time I was out. Could be to do with the snow condition also. It's very crisp. It was a little bit melty overnight, and then it got cold again, so it's quite fun. I'm going to put this camera away, put my glove back on, maybe start off this funny looking thing on my head, and maybe do some sort of a time lapse of the red pine trail here at Hiawatha Highlands. So I'm about the halfway point of the red pine trail now. There I am. And it stopped now, but there was something going on back over that way. It sounded like a crow and a raven fighting or something. They make so many different noises. Such a large vocabulary. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's not why I stopped. I stopped because there's a little, you see it's taped off back here. In the summertime, this is all a big network of mountain bike trails, single track, fun stuff. But every once in a while, somebody decides to make a new trail. It looks like somebody started to here, and so I've taped it off and put a sign up forewarning them not to proceed. This is all private property, and it's graciously given to us outdoor enthusiasts for skiing and mountain biking and that, but we have to respect and just use the small portion that we're allowed to have as little impact as possible, and it's important. That's what I have to say about that.